IR Blaster can be an asset on your phone, allowing it to double as a universal remote, giving you control over various electronic devices in your home. Unfortunately, phones with IR Blaster are not common as they used to be. Companies like Samsung have more or less ditched the technology altogether, but you can still find it on the other smartphone, especially from the Chinese brands. In this video, I am going to show you latest and the best smartphones that comes with the IR Blaster that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying a new smartphone, you can ask me on Instagram. Link I have given in the description. You can message me there, I will reply you back. Vivo X80 Pro. The Vivo X80 Pro is a great device. It secured its spot as one of the best phones with an IR blaster thanks to its excellent main camera, a fantastic 120Hz display, stereo speakers, outstanding performance and a bundled charger. Not to mention its sleek design, which looks very good. However, even great phones have their flaws. In the X80 Pro's case, it's the barrage of bloatware and bare minimum security update commitment that hold it back. The phone is not readily available everywhere and the chances of it coming to the USA and other UK or European countries are slim to none. It launched in China and India, but there are ways to import it. Coming to its specification, it comes with a beautiful and immersive 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus display powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, and it is one of the best cameras that we can buy for 2023 as it comes with a quad rear camera setup comprising of 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel and 8 megapixel cameras, and there is a 32 MP front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Links are given in the description. You can check the availability and price there and buy it from there. POCO F4 GT. The POCO F4 GT is all about getting yourself in the game, and its IR blaster is the icing on top. It's a great performer with the shoulder triggers to give you better control over the action. POCO's gaming phone is quick to charge, which is good given the power needs of gamers. Aside from being one of the few phones with an IR blaster, it's also pretty durable. You get an IP53 rating, which is in line with the price range, and POCO tapped Gorilla Glass Victors for the build, and Gorilla Glass Victors you can only find in the flagship devices. It is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, offers reliable performance, and you can pair it with up to 12 GB of RAM. But there are some issues with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, especially the heating issues, which has been resolved with the software updates. Again, this phone is hard to find in most of the Western markets, but some sellers bring it to this side of the world. Buy this amazing smartphone for its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, up to 12 GB of RAM, great triple rear camera comprising of 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 MP and 2 MP of other sensors, and 20 MP front selfie camera that takes beautiful selfies. Xiaomi 12 Pro, amazing flagship device with the IR blaster, and Xiaomi has cut down its price and you can buy it for much lower price on sales. And this is an amazing camera smartphone that also comes with a flagship specification, and with the IR blaster it is icing on the cake. You have got much cheaper option in terms of Xiaomi 12 and 12X. Xiaomi's latest flagship followed its trend of reaching for the highest end processor available. In this case, that means the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Other specifications are equally impressive, including up to 12 GB of RAM, a beautiful and immersive 6.73-inch W Quad HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and more. Xiaomi also packed its 4600 mAh of battery with its blistering 120 watt turbo charging and 50 watt wireless charging technology. As I said before, it's a complete flagship experience that you will get in this smartphone. As for the camera setup, you are looking at a trio of 50 MP lenses, a primary, a ultra wide and a telephoto. Around the front, you get a 32MP front selfie shooter that takes beautiful pictures. The most amazing thing about this smartphone is its display, camera, and the powerful processor and the 120-watt fast charging that charges the phone to 100% in just over 15 to 18 minutes. POCO X4 Pro. POCO's first made waves a few years back with the POCO Phone F1, and it's evolved in many ways since then. Its portfolio has grown exponentially, and the POCO X4 Pro is one of its best efforts yet. Further, this phone comes with the IR blaster, also offers major bang for your buck. It's not a true successor to the POCO X3 Pro, but it does bring some key improvements. For starters, the device packs an excellent OLED panel. It's bright and crisp, and you will enjoy watching movies or binging on Netflix, Disney Hotstar, or other OTT platform. And it's backed up by 2 days of battery life that adds a cherry on the cake. You'll also get impressed by its solid primary camera, though the peripheral options left something to be desired. You should have no problems taking the X4 Pro on adventures, as it comes with the IP53 rating that promises a degree of water and dust resistance. While POCO's offerings are not meant for the American market, they are readily available from Amazon. This phone is also not available in many of the countries, but you can import it. Nowadays, it's possible to import any smartphone from any country. You can get the X4 Pro through the links given in the description. Buy this amazing smartphone for its beautiful and immersive OLED panel, beautiful set of cameras comprising of 108MP primary camera, 5000 mAh of battery, fast charging support, and the powerful Snapdragon 695 chipset. Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, overall the best device that comes at a budget price and offers flagship-like experience, also comes with the IR blaster. Redmi Note 11 series is much improved over the Redmi Note 10 series, earning points for the design, battery life, and some seriously great prices. The beautiful design is the first thing you will notice in the Note 11 series. It skips the bold gradients and wild colors of the other budget-friendly phones and instead sports a clean and classic look. You're also bound to notice the camera array with its whopping 108MP primary lens. The peripheral lenses haven't received much kick, but we can't ask for the world at this price. More importantly, both models, that is Note 11 and 11 Pro and Pro Plus, shines as phones with the IR blaster. The batteries are plenty large with an impressive wide charging speed of over 60 watt. That is, this one comes with a 67 watt of wide charging. That said, these phones indeed manage to stand out in a rather crowded category. So these are the 5 amazing smartphones that comes with IR blaster. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.